Hello students, today we discuss cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method, in this method the name implies that cross. So we go through in cross then multiply. That's why this method is cross multiplication method. Now we see further. We know that the two standard form of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This one our equation number 1. And we take the second equation, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, equation number 2. We know that the standard form linear equation is in two variable a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. In this equation a1, b1 and c1 are real number and constants, and a2, b2 and c2 are also real number and constants. a1 and b1 are the coefficient of x and y respectively in equation number 1, and a2 and b2 are the coefficient of x and y in equation number 2. Okay. Now for cross multiplication method, we arrange firstly this one like that: x upon, that is y upon, is equals to constant 1 upon. Firstly we arrange this one x, y and 1. Okay. Why we take here x, y only? Because this one equation in x and y variable. अगर आपके पास ये इक्वेशन किसी और वेरिएबल में होती है, सपोज t में होती है, s में होती है, तो we arrange here t and s. Okay. So we write here x upon equals to y upon equal to 1 upon. Now we write the coefficients here. Upon x upon this one coefficients, here is also coefficient and here is also coefficients. So here we have, जब आप x की बात कर रहे हैं तो we hide x, आपको x को hide करना है. Then write the coefficient of y, that is b1 and b2. Okay, and the constant is c1 and c2 from both of the equation. Okay, when you talk about the y, then hide the y. After y, which one? This one c1 and c2, and this one, after that this one is a1 and a2. Okay. Now last is equal to 1 upon. When 1 upon, then constant hide this one a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. Okay. Now I repeat it again. Firstly arrange x upon equal to y upon equal to 1 upon. Then x upon जब आप लिखेंगे तो x upon जब आप x की बात कर रहे हैं तो hide this one x. Okay. Then remaining is b1 b2 and c1 c2. b1 b2 and c1 c2 equal to, when we discuss about y, then y upon this one hide this one. Okay. The remaining is c1 c2 and a1 a2. Okay. Equal to, when we talk about the constant term, then hide this one, then a1 a2 and b1 b2. Check this one. Two of the column, that is c1 c2 c1 c2, both are same. Similarly a1 a2 and a1 a2 both are same, and last one b1 b2 and b1 b2 both are same. Okay. Now according to this method, that is cross, that is multiply and cross this one. So firstly start from right to left, this one cross, then multiply this one like that with negative sign. Okay. So how we write? That is x upon b1 c2 with a negative sign, this minus is here, b2 multiplied by c1, that is b2 c1. Got it? Similarly y upon multiply, firstly right to left, that is c1 a2 minus c2 with negative sign, this one a1. Okay. Now this one is 1 upon, so multiply firstly, that is right to left. Similarly, so this one is a1 b2 with negative sign, this one with minus sign, that is minus a2 b1. Got it? Students, ये आपको रटना नहीं है, समझना है और फिर इसको ऐसे ही सॉल्व करना है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड और वेरी इजी. आप कैसी भी इक्वेशन, जैसे आपकी हॉट्स के अंदर इक्वेशंस आती हैं तो उससे आप ये सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इजीली. ओके, गॉट इट. आई रिपीट इट अगेन. फर्स्टली यू राइट द टू फॉर्म स्टैंडर्ड जो आपको एक क्वेश्चन में दे रखी होगी, उसको आपको लिखना है इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म किसे कहते हैं? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म वो जिसके अंदर x, y और c1 दैट मीन्स कांस्टेंट, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हो और राइट हैंड साइड जीरो हो, या ये तीनों राइट हैंड साइड हो और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या हो? जीरो हो. आपने इसको नोट किया. देन आफ्टर आपको इसे अरेंज करना है x अपॉन, ओके, इक्वल टू y अपॉन, एक बार इसको ब्लैंक छोड़ना है, देन इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन, ओके. देन आफ्टर अरेंज द कोफिशिएंट्स. कोफिशिएंट का मतलब जो x के मल्टीप्लाई में आ रहा है, ओके, एंड जो y के मल्टीप्लाई में आ रहा है दैट कोफिशिएंट, एंड 1 अपॉन that is also coefficients is there downside of 1 though. So that means x upon x, when we discuss about x और आप x के बारे में जब लिख रहे हैं तो आप x को हाइड करेंगे तो आपके पास बचेगा b1 b2 and c1 c2. so here is b1 b2 with sign. b1 सपोज यहाँ पर नेगेटिव हुआ तो आपको यहाँ पर लेना है माइनस b1. कोफिशिएंट्स का मतलब है जो उसके मल्टीप्लाई में आ रहा है विद साइन, वो पूरा पूरा एज इट इज लेना है. so b1 b2 then c1 c2. Now after that on y, that is hide y this one. So on downside of y is c1 c2. Then after c1 c2 is a1 a2. Okay. Then after constant term 1 is on downside of 1. That is hide this one constant. So remaining is a1 a2 and c1 b1 b2. Okay. After that multiply in cross this one. Cross. From where? From right to left. Firstly right to left. That is first this one b1 c2, and this one with negative sign from left to right. This one with minus sign minus b2 c1. Similarly, in this multiply cross that from right to left, that is c1 a2 with negative sign this one c2 a1. Okay. Similarly 1 upon, firstly multiply right to left, that is a1 b2 with negative sign minus b2 a1. Got it?